It's a long weekend, so Lions Head likes to light one up. Pretty much the reason for it. It's definitely vape. It's vape. Case closed. Vape.
Everybody hates me. Everybody hates me. Like everybody hates me. Like everybody hates me.
Alright, bye dude. Alright, I'm enjoying you boys.
Get in the back.
It's funny how they
Okay, we coming up the road now. Okay, cool. Okay, cheers.
Check it out, it looks like I'm Lions Head smoking. Or was it just me?
It looks like the sleeping hats you used to have on. It's a Thursday. Only Thursdays at... What's the time? Is it 5:05? Then that happens there.
Do we got some super moody vibes? It's moody. It's like sunny and moody. Hey, you're not allowed in here.
Hey.
Hey.
I'm Matty Snaps, professional interviewer / presenter of this vlog. Today we are clearly riding on an abandoned road. Very dodgy, especially when the cops come this side and expect you to be carrying drugs.
To light one up.
What's up, YouTube? Today we're on Table Mountain Road with the boys. We came out for a little sunset mission, and we're just absolutely killing it. We got a beautiful view of Lions Head back here. It's probably totally blown out, but that's totally chill. We got all the boys back here getting all the content, and it's just a beautiful day. This is my kind of shoot.
Hey guys. Cold air rises, hot air is lower. That's why it's so hot in the city. Yeah, Cape Town, other way around. It's a long weekend, so Lions Head likes to light one up. Pretty much the reason for it. Dope. I don't know, maybe it's just a couple of oaks up there having a good time. Maybe there's actually people up there smoking. Vape. What about vape as well? It's definitely vape. It's vape. Case closed. Vape.
I can't put that in the vlog.
I'm sorry.
Nobody's gonna know. What was it? Dun, dun, dun.
Jackson, don't jump down when you're done.
Put your arms up again.
We had Jackson getting...
This is Sparta.
Brad, how's the sunset on a scale from 1 to Brad?
Brad. It's definitely Brad. No, Jackson, get back up.
Did you just rate the sunset at Brad?
Yeah, he said 1 to Brad.
I mean, it looks better than
Okay, put your arms down and then I'm gonna walk forward and tell you.
Good one.
And then you're gonna lift your arms up high, okay? Okay, 3, 2, 1, lift your arms up. Pull back. What?
BTS, 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 I got you, bro. I got you, go.
when you leave.
It's torture, being in love.
Matty, how's your sunset going?
Oh, I'm in the vlog now. Out of my top 10 Cape Town sunsets, I'll probably give this a number 3 spot.
Really?
Yeah, this is pretty unique. Like the weather conditions don't normally do this, where they leave almost like a volcano kind of effect on Lions Head. And then the clouds are coming over Signal Hill, so they're like pushing up. Geography with Matt. No comments. I'm not going to get into this.
Dean, your edits weren't worth it.
Yeah.
Your edits were not worth it.
This is what happens when you edit instead of seeing nature in all its entirety. Hey look, it's foggy.
We'll just make the weekend venture episode for him.
Yeah, exactly.
Can you explain what the branch manager is?
Well,
Hello?
Yeah. Going for a swim, eh?
Hi, bro. The branch manager. Hands down, one of the top 3 sunsets. Oh, that felt so good. That was so sick. I don't know, that was an absolute blast. Crushed it, skate around, all the shots. As Jackson tries to skate.
I was gonna like cruise back by in the vlog and be like, sad, it's.
all the cameras is bad.
Yeah?
But we saw lots of people now, which is not normal.
Like, people
I've never
were
seen
running.
that many people running and
Yeah,
cycling
this
and stuff.
at this late at night.
Yeah, it's like And it's overcast, which is even worse. So I don't know. It's alright. We had fun.
Hey!
Hey!
You're the Mitchell Mullins guy.
Oh, that guy?
Oh my god, I'm totally in the vlog right now.
Nope.
Oh, okay, sorry. I just want to say it's a pleasure to meet you. So, yeah. Cheers. Cheers, bro. See you tomorrow.
I keep forgetting.
That they're vlogging. Bye. Yeah, we see you tomorrow.
See you there. Signal tower.
Signal tower.
Dude.
Are we doing that tomorrow?
I think so.
We're gonna attempt it. Matty, is that right?
Proper one.
Yeah, the proper one.
Signal.
Yeah. Signal tower for life. See you tomorrow as well.
How do you look so godlike?
Yeah.
Good luck on your date, bro.
I got this. I got this.
You got this.
I'll let you know how it goes tomorrow.
Oh, definitely.
Stay tuned. To be continued.
That was like one of the funnest shoots
That's so
I've done in a long time. That was sick.
I love their energy.
I do too.
So where's Matty going?
I don't know. He's kind of our ride.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want to take a go out on a date to show the city,
Don't come here.
here.
Advice from Matty.
And then my
Relationship advice.
we parked my ex-girlfriend's car like long down there,
Yeah?
and they stole all the makeup. Left my car, even though you can just like simply unzip the window.
Yeah.
We're gonna recap this. Just... Hi. Take all my stuff.
We weren't even gonna shoot this afternoon. We were like, you know what, let's take all the boys, let's go up, we'll have a good time. And it was completely worth it. Getting back on my vlog game, feeling more inspired with each vlog that comes out. Yeah, one thing I did really well on today was I stayed focused. I was up early. I got all my work done, and I feel really good about everything I accomplished. I feel good about today's shoot. I feel good about the memories we made and the fun times we had with all the guys. One thing that I would definitely work on tomorrow, I'm going to try to get in a little bit of physical activity. That's something I've been lacking, especially while working on all these vlogs. I'm feeling good. I'm just going to edit. I'm going to go to bed here pretty soon, try to wake up early again tomorrow. In the meantime, I hope you guys are growing with your passion, chasing every second, because tomorrow is not guaranteed. I will check you guys tomorrow. Peace!
They'd like to light one up.